Hello Nars, magandang umaga. And
Hello,
again,
sir.
thank you
Good
so much for your
morning.
time. Sobra akong excited makausap ka dahil yun nga, nabalitaan ko na ikaw yung naglagay ng 40,000 kilometers isang
Yes,
adventure
sir.
bike na Vogue.
Yes, sir.
And you're talking about a year and a half lang.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Exactly.
Ganun mo talaga siya kaginamit. So, syempre, marami sa atin na nag-iingat bagong brand ng Vogue. What made you splurge your hard-earned cash to buy a Vogue?
Sanay talaga ako sa mga Japanese brands. Pag sinabi kasing made in China, para sa akin before, meron akong stigma eh. And then, came across, I saw this post, Vogue. So, I was curious. That was 2021, January. Sabi ko,
Sagsagan na nga na yan, pandemic.
pandemya. Sige, uwi din naman ako. Papasok ko ng expressway. So, daanan ko na. Yung first showroom nila is in Caloocan. So, syempre, as a nurse,
And thank you for what you do.
nung pandemic na yun, libre kami sa ano eh, sa NLEX eh. Kaya ang sarap magmotor.
Ayun,
Na-enjoy ko ng gusto.
may perks.
So I was doing research, sino ba tong si Vogue? Then I saw the parent company Lonsin has actually partnered with BMW in creating some of the engines ng BM. So sabi ko,
So it piqued your curiosity.
sabi ko, soft opening, hindi pa sila officially open. I went to the showroom. Yung model na dinadala nila dito is the naked bike, which is the 500R, which is the same engine nung gamit kong unang adventure bike na meron ako, yung Vogue 500 TS. Nagulat ako, at that time, the price for the 500cc with all the specs, it's just around 250,000 pesos.
Okay, so value for money right away. It's almost 50% off the bigger boys.
So, pero hindi muna ako kumagat doon. Until such time na meron kaming test unit dyan ng adventure bike. Pinahiram nila sa akin. Sabi ko, okay, I'll go for this adventure bike. I'll wait for this. So, doon siya nagsimula. So, nung
Buti
dumating,
na-test ride ka.
ay mukha naman daw akong marunong magbutor.
It started with research. And then the BMW connection.
Yes, sir.
And then pinatest ride ka nila. Yung nail in the coffin is kasi nasubukan mo. Okay, so obviously, first purchase mo palang happy ka na. Let's talk about the 40,000 kilometers. Saan ka ba nakatira? I mean, saan ka pupunta? Bakit in a year and a half, naka 40,000? So you're averaging 20 plus in a year.
Yes, sir. Exactly.
Oo.
So, usually kasi may mga out-of-town seminars kami. Ako nari sabihin nila, seminar kang Baguio 1 week. So, punta ako ng Baguio nakamotor. I think umulan
Favorite
bumagyo,
mo?
nagra-ride kami sa Sagada eh.
Sagada yung
Via
memorable
Besang
sa'yo.
Pass. Walang nginig-nginig. Sige, diretso lang. Tapos pagdating mo ng La Union, mainit na pala.
Saka yung tinatawag natin, sinulit mo yung binili mo.
Sulit na sulit. At hanggang ngayon, buhay pa yung motor na yon.
Ano yung maintenance regimen? I'm sure a lot of people are curious. Sinasabi nila, pag palaki na palaki yung makina, pakomplikado na pakomplikado, mas marami pwedeng masira. Anong tirada mo? Anong diskarte mo sa maintenance?
Ako sir, just the usual motorcycle maintenance.
Sinundan mo lang yung manufacturer
Oo,
recommendation?
the usual. Ito yung sinasabi ko lagi eh, even sa mga videos na ginagawa ko. Kahit gaano kaganda yung motor, kahit anong brand pa yan, if you're not doing the proper maintenance, bibigay at bibigay yung motorsiklo. So I just follow the usual. I use good oils, fully synthetic.
Tapos yung frequency mo, binibilang mo per milyahe or
Yeah,
month?
per milyahe.
Milyahe, okay.
So yung
sinusundan
first,
mo talaga.
yung first is 1,000, and then 5,000, then 10,000.
Sa 40,000, ano yung mga kailangan mo lang palitan?
Oil filter, air filter, gulong, brake pads definitely.
So,
Tapos
yun
from
sa
time to time
40,000.
check ng clutch lining kung okay pa.
That's it,
The
at
typical.
40,000. And now we're in China. This is where we're doing this right now. Anong impression mo doon sa factory?
Ay grabe sir. I think the robotics, the quality assurance, the assembly area, talagang napakaganda. Para makikita mo na parang isa siyang katuparan na, yun dati binili ko lang yan dahil gusto ko ngayon nandito na ako sa China. Sa China naman talaga, or with any other brands, talagang it comes with the name nung factory, no? Nung name nung business, kung sino man siya. So, ang sinasabi ko nga, ang maganda lang po kasi sa atin ngayon, no? All the information is already in the internet. Unlike dati na, kalapang tayo, maganda ba yan? Diba? Or, kumusta yung experience mo? Dito, halo-halo na eh. You have your different resources all over the world. And isa pa sa nagpaano sa akin, for Vogue to penetrate Europe. Sabi ko,
That's what
ibang
they've been
klase.
doing. Nakita ko nga yung Vogue sa ICMAP pre-pandemic, andun na sila. And they were accepted pretty well. And now medyo mas active ngayon sila sa Asia. That's why we're seeing more of
Yes, sir.
more of a factory visits, rides here and there. Anyway, yeah, mabuhay ka Nars. You ride safe, and thank you so much for the information that you shared with us regarding your experience with Vogue.
Thank you so much, Sir
Mabuhay
Zach.
ka.
It was a
Ingat.
pleasure to be here. Thank you po.